Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, update here on Ehang, ticker EH, trading here on the Nasdaq. Yo guys, this is a very popular stock. I'm talking about a couple of months already here about Ehang, because in my opinion we will see here a second short squeeze. If you don't know this ticker here, Ehang squeezed here from the $8 range here all the way up to $129. Was a massive, incredible short squeeze here during January, February 2021. Like any other stock as well, guys, we had so many short squeezes in 2021. Not only the meme stocks like AMC and Gamestop, also Ehang here was a very popular stock which had here a squeeze of 1500%. That means you made here a 15x on your account if you entered here and exit at the right position, guys. I give you now here an update because we have here some very spicy short squeeze signals for Ehang, and I want to show you how my chart techniques work for Ehang. I have no idea what the news are telling you here or what they mentioning, what they tell you why we have these price actions. I don't care. I only trust the chart, and the chart is telling me everything what I need to know, and I try to share that knowledge here with you on my channel, guys. This is my main purpose. The second thing is, guys, that I try to predict short squeezes, so I will do that here for Ehang, but I have here a lot of other short squeeze stocks as well. Just while I'm recording this video, one of my Patreon swing trade alerts is squeezing 122%. The squeeze just started here today, and I also had here two bigger squeezes in the past days. This one here with 709% here just in 2-3 trading days. This ticker squeezed 709% after my prediction. Of course, I never let people FOMO in or talk about stocks which already squeezing. I always try to predict short squeeze, and this one here, 6th of February, this was the date when I released this on Patreon here, traded sideways and then had here a 797% short squeeze. If you want to see these tickers, guys, here my short squeeze tickers, you can of course join our Patreon here. The full package membership is the most popular membership which I have. Every day new members joining in here, guys, and you can also join in if you want. It doesn't matter if you beginner or advanced trader. If you want to join in, guys, here the link is available when you click here the info card in the corner, guys. So let's now go back to Ehang. I show you now my drawings, and it's very simple, very predictable. That's why I like Ehang, guys. We have here, since we had this massive short squeeze here until $129, the all-time low was in at $3.32. Now we're trading here at $25, as you can see. So we had here already a huge run, but in my opinion, this is still, I never FOMO into stocks. I always want to get the lowest possible price. I always try to think like a market maker, but now we have here a very tradable pattern for Ehang, and that's what I want to show you here in my chart, and then I explain you everything here in a second, guys. So let's zoom in. By the way, guys, everything what you see here is based on TradingView. This is the chart program which you see here. This is what I use for all my videos and all my trades. If you also want to get yourself TradingView, guys, I can really recommend that program. I think if you really want to learn trading, you have to do two things. First, you have to invest in yourself, which means you have to build up knowledge. And the second thing is you need a good chart program which helps you to spot and visualize the algos which we have here in trading. That's why I use TradingView here every day, guys. I can give you a $15 discount link on the premium tier. If you want to get TradingView, guys, please click here the info card in the corner to get access to the special discount link. So first of all, the most important thing what you need to do or need to know, this is not financial advice. This is what I'm doing here. I'm trading Ehang. Every time when we hit here the algo trend line, the white trend line here, you can see the latest touch point which we had was here at November 2024, and here on the 10th of January 2025 I released my next Ehang video because I said, guys, we are now very close to see a short squeeze. That was this date here marked by the yellow line, and I want to show you what happened here since I made this video here. We can delete this. That was my follow-up video. Here was the day when I released the video for Ehang and said, guys, we are very close to see a short squeeze. Let's press play on TradingView and see what happened. So we touched again the algo trend line, came back over the support, and then we go, guys. Sayonara. Here you can see Banzai. Ehang squeezed now here from this price level. Perfect picture, perfect touch point. That's why I say chart techniques always work. The real trend line is this here, guys. The gray line here, but to make it more visible for you, I added here this white fat trend line, but the real bottom is here, guys, and you can see we touched that perfectly. The dip got bought up quick, and then we had even here a small gap up confirmation on the price level $15, which acts like a squeeze trigger or resistance. And now guys, we're trading here, and this is now where the the shit gets interesting, because we have now here this trend channel pattern, and Ehang is more or less at the top of this trend channel pattern. What does that mean, guys? So if you're a swing trader, if you're really just swing trading a stock, then usually it's very simple. The bottom here is the point where the algos buy, and the resistance here, the top line of this trend channel, is where the algos sell. Yeah, this is very, very simple. Ehang had no chance here. You can see the last or the whole year 2024, Ehang was not able anymore to hit the top line here of this trend channel. The last attempt, successful attempt, which we had was back here in 2023. So why is that? Because we have here one algo resistance line which is controlling, let's say, Ehang, is preventing a squeeze, is trying to stop Ehang to squeeze. This is this orange line here. So we start to build up here a wedge pattern. Yeah, the orange line is here the resistance, and the white line is the support. And you can see that Ehang now squeeze here out of this pattern for the first time. Here was already one attempt in October. That's why I was already very alerted here on Ehang, because I saw something is cooking up. I know that there was maybe some final shakeout, and what do I mean with final shakeout, guys, is exactly this. When I zoom in, you will see we had this huge gap down here, exactly at my resistance level here, $15.02. We had this massive gap down here, and that was, in my opinion, the final shakeout for Ehang. And now, guys, we could really see here a bigger short squeeze. Yeah, this is not here to hype you up or to make you FOMO in. I just want to show you here what could happen now based on the chart. We're gapping up again while I'm recording this video. Ehang is plus 5% in the pre-market, so that means we're leaving again here one open gap, and the final resistance which we have is this trend line here, guys. It's the trend channel top line. I will mark that here for you as well, that you can see that. So guys, this is the final resistance. So what does that mean? Maybe we get rejected here at $27 and that's it. Squeeze is over, right? So Ehang already run up here since my video release. We had already here 90% squeeze with the pre-market price action 97%, which is really good. It took a couple of weeks. I want to show you that one more time, guys. Don't forget my Patreon swing trade alerts here, squeezed in 3 days, 700%. There is no guarantee, of course, but we have a lot of short squeeze in the market. If Ehang can break out here, guys, of this trend channel, then we could see here a massive, massive short squeeze. I will zoom out. The next price level here, there is no resistance here between this algo trend line and $41. There is no real resistance. I think it is no problem for Ehang to come back to $41, but everything here above $41, guys, yeah, then we will see here a much, much bigger squeeze. The algo squeeze price target here, this is everything calculated. This is not what I think will happen or what could happen. There is never a guarantee, but based on what the algos should do, yeah, a price of $94 is possible for Ehang. Of course, we could squeeze higher, but this price level here between $89 and $94 is what the algos usually have to do. They have to work their let's call it algo homework. They have to fulfill that, and this is what could happen here for Ehang. As I said, this is not financial advice, guys. Let's see if Ehang can squeeze here, if Ehang can successful breakout here out of this trend channel. As I said, when you want to duplicate here the lines from my chart, use my TradingView discount link, guys. I wish you nothing but the best with all your trades. I will keep you updated here on Ehang, and if you don't want to miss any updates, guys, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I appreciate your support. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute. Bis zum nächsten Ehang Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.